Fueled by a tax refund and compulsive tendencies, me and my abused, modified, wannabe drift car, a 1996 Ford Mustang GT, are going across the US to conduct several scientific tests.
Oh gosh.
All to answer a question that has perplexed numerous great philosophers of the past 2 centuries. Can a cheap project car replace a sensible daily driver?
It's a Chevy.
Does it have the comfort, speed, sex appeal,
Which one would you rather have someone roll up in on a first date?
Less of a bag, exactly.
practicality, efficiency, and most importantly, is it reliable enough to be trusted on a 6,000-mile journey? Through the help of friends, both old and new, I found out more than I ever wanted to know about the physical limits of my Mustang and myself. It's kind of epic, painful, emotional, and honestly, quite dumb. The 5-part series begins April 16th. Don't let you or your friends miss out on this one. Thank you.